Hello children, welcome back to Max class. I am your Max teacher Sandhya from Bharatidasar Matriculation Higher Secondary School, going to teach 5th standard Max 4th lesson. What's the 4th lesson name? Our 4th lesson name is fractions. What does mean by fractions? Fraction means that is parts of the whole. We have numerator and denominator values. Numerator means that is shaded part. Denominator means that is total part. And today we are going to see an important topic. Listen here. Fractions in a lowest term. Fractions in lowest term. Now we are going to check whether that fractions are lowest term or not. Right? So what will be the procedure? So listen my children. A fraction is said to be lowest terms or a simplest term when its numerator and denominator do not have any common factor except 1. Do not have any common factor except 1. So we need a common factor 1. So 1k means that is the lowest term. Right? So listen my children. Our first question. State whether the fraction is in its lowest term or not. We have the question 12 by 20. We have 12 divided by 20. So this is our question. So take a 12 by 20. First you are going to find the factors of 12. Then you are going to find the factors of 20. Then third step is you are going to find the common factors. If you got 1 means that is the lowest term. Right? So listen here. The factors of 12 are. So what factors we have in 12? First you are going to check 1 table, 2 table, 3 table up to 12 table. So you all know how to find the factors, right? Now tell me Tirumurugan, 1 table out 12? Yes, very good. How many times? 1 12s are 12. So write here 1. Next, 2 table out 12? Yes, how many times? 2 6 are 12. So you should write 2 6 are 12. And then 3 table. 3 table, 3 4s are 12. 4 3s are 12. Next 5 table, 12 is not possible. Why? Because 5 fully the number ends with 50, 50, 50. So 12 not possible. Next 6 table. 6 table of 12? Yes. 6 2s are 12. And then 12 1s are 12. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and then 12. Next we will take a 20. The factors of 20. First 1 table. 1 table of 20? Yes, 120s are 20, 2 10s are 20. Now tell me Tirumurugan, 3 table of 20? No, 3 table 20 is not possible. Next we will take 4 table. 4 5s are 20, then 5 4s are 20. Next 6 table. 6 table of 20? No, 6 table 20 is not possible. Next 7 table. 8 table, 9 table. So this 3 things 20 is not possible. Next we will take 10 table. So 10 table are 20? Yes, 10 2s are 20. So write here 10. Next we will take 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So slightly we have 20 table only. You will write here 20. So listen my children, the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Now we are going to find the common factors, that is 1 and 1, 2 and 2, then we have 4 and 4. So here we got the answers are 1, 2, 4. So listen my children, whether it's lowest term or not means this is not a lowest term. Why? Because here we got 1, 2, 4. We need only one, that is common factor. So right answer no. It is not a lowest term. Next we'll see the another example. Listen here. Our next question 7 by 8. So take a 7 divided by 8. First you are going to find the factors of 7. Then you are going to find the factors of 8. So you all know 7 is a prime number. So prime number means a number having exactly 2 different factors like 1 and a number itself. So the factors of 7 are 1 and 7. Right here 7 equal to 1, 7. 1 sevens are 7 and 7 ones are 7. Next you are going to take 8. So check 8 in all table, like one table up to number itself. So one table of 8 is 1 8s are 8. Next we will take 2 table. 2 table, 2 4s are 8, 4 2s are 8 and 8 1s are 8. Now we are going to pick the common number. We have the common numbers are 1 and 1. Yes, we got 1. So lowest term means we need a common factor 1. Yes, we got 1. Write the answer 1. And then 7 by 8 is your lowest term. So write yes. Next we have encircle the fraction which is in its lowest term. Encircle the fraction which is in its lowest term. So listen my children, we have many fractions like 4 by 8, 2 by 4, 1 by 2, 5 by 10. So first you are going to find the factors of 4 by 8. 4, 8. So what is the factors of 4? The factors of 4 are 1 4s are 4, 2 2s are 4 and 4 1s are 4. Next you are going to find the factors of 8. The factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and then 8. So listen my children, now you pick the common factors. Here we have the common factors are 1, 1, 2, 2 and then 4, 4. So is this lowest term? Means it is not a lowest term. We have 1, 2, 4 the common factor. So it is not a lowest term. Next you will take a 2 by 4. Take 2 divided by 4. So the factors of 2 are 1 and 2. Next the factors of 4 are. Now tell me Putika, what is the answer? The factors of 4? Very good. The factors of 4 are 1, 2, then 4. Here the common factors we have 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. So this is not a lowest term. Next you are going to check a 1 by 2. Take 1 by 2. So the factor of 1 is 1 and then 2 is 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Now here you are going to pick the common factor. Here we have the common factor is 1, 1. Yes, this is the lowest term. Next you will check 5 and 10. 5 divided by 10. Take 5 and then 10. The factors of 5 are, 5 is a prime number, it having exactly 2 factors, that is 1 and then number itself. So take 1 comma 5. Here 1, 2, 5 then 10. 1 10s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 5 2s are 10 and 10 1s are 10. So pick the common factors. We have 1 and 1, then 5 and 5. So we have 2 common factors are there. It is not a lowest term. So our lowest term is 1 by 2. Just you circle 1 by 2 is the answer. So our next question we have 6 by 10, 9 by 15. Write 6 by 10, then 9 by 15, then we have 12 by 20 and then next we have 3 by 5. So this is our question. 6 by 10, 9 by 15, 12 by 20 and then 3 by 5. So listen my children, here you are going to encircle the lowest term. So lowest term means we need a common factor as 1. So listen here, first you are going to find the factors of 6, next you are going to find the factors of 10. So here we won't get a lowest term as 1. So this is not a lowest term, just you check in your home itself. Next 9 by 15 also not, 12 by 10 also not. Here our answer is 3 by 5. What will be the answer? The answer is 3 by 5. So if you find the factor of 3 means that is 1 and 3. Then factors of 5 is 1 and 5. Here the common factors are 1. So the answer is 3 by 5. So listen here children, in this session you have learned whether the terms are lowest term or not. So lowest term means we need a common factor as 1. Right? I hope everyone enjoyed the session. In this below description we have got a study material question bank and self-assessment work. So my dear students, do all the exercise problem. If you have any doubt, just go through this video. Thank you.